The Mac, I'm gonna put you in the back. Lord Von, I'll put you left, Butta Dog right. Zesty mid. I think right side.
Yeah.
Right side could use some love, healing love. Jesus, did you say you're taking right side?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, one thing I do love about all of your people is that they just aren't afraid to go on siege. My invasion people, I have Kestrel who sieges, and that's about it.
Nah, most people don't want to move, so they just sit on the repeaters. I missed the wolf already, man.
That's not understandable at all.
You just sounded like you were talking to yourself, and I'm like, maybe he's talking to like someone in his room. I don't know.
No.
It's great. I loved it.
Hey, is the scoreboard bugged for anybody else?
I fell through the floor during the last invasion, and then it keeps like stating wave 1, 2, 3 over and over and over again.
What was down there?
Gotta love a game with no bugs. Yeah. Taco Bell fire sauce on point.
Hell yeah. Yo, Osby, can you fall?
Nah.
Dude, someone's gotta do it, man. He's not here.
Alright, who's stepping up to Hal?
Are you paying?
Hey, I'll give you 5 gold right now.
Oh, hell.
I'll give you 10 gold on top of that. Now you're just howling like a wolf.
Yeah, we're trying to get
Oh,
into Hal.
howl.
We're trying to get someone
Yeah.
to howl like a wolf, like that last guy, yeah. Here's
A little
actually
woo,
good.
you know?
No. Oh my god, no. I bet Reese would.
Reese?
Yo,
I
I
don't know how to
meow.
howl.
We don't want meows. We want
Bro,
Bro,
howlers.
I'm a meower. Come on.
Nah, you gotta
Yeah,
howl, man.
Let me hear it, let me hear it.
Ooh, your gold cap plus asthma.
Damn. That's
Exactly.
an expensive ass.
Jason is
I don't
already
know.
100 times better than the last one. I think we're all like getting to know each other now. What does it mean to say when someone's got bags?
I think he's a
Oh,
rich. They're saying he's a rich.
Oh,
I'm
priest
so
right, priest right.
disappointed.
Yeah. He's a rich.
Rich.
Reese tired.
Say bags again.
He's
Bags?
well endowed.
Bags.
What am
Bags.
I right now? What did I do? Bags.
Okay.
Bags.
Land of psychedelic Aaron Rodgers.
Oh, nice.
Did you hear about his mushroom experience?
No.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking.
No.
Aaron Rodgers? Yeah, okay, y'all know who Aaron Rodgers is, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
root right,
No.
root right. Heavy attacks.
Quarterback for the Green Bay Packers.
Right.
But
The
it came
cheese
out
guys. Yeah.
and said that he
Good job,
attributed,
guys.
like his Super Bowl wins or whatever to this magical herbal brew, and then he talked about doing mushrooms.
When was that? What the fuck?
It just came out yesterday.
Oh, that makes more sense.
Yeah.
We're gonna buy phase.
All right, I got 500 repair parts. You can start.
Probably
pulling.
pull him faster if you howled like a wolf.
Yeah, that actually.
Oh,
the respawn rate-
that's the closest.
Oh,
It sucked.
dude.
Oh,
That was amazing.
Let's go.
5K to Reese.
Let's fucking go. I don't even care if we lose anymore. I'm fucking. We're set.
It's not expecting that.
No, seriously, just. That was like a second after I said the word haul, too. Like, no hesitation that time.
I can't do things if I'm like told to, but more like spontaneous.
I'm a troll.
There's a lot of people in the back.
The commander on left, by the way. I don't know if that was called, but
No, it wasn't. Good
Okay.
comms, good comms.
Good comms, good comms.
Root right, root
I
right.
think you
Alright.
should haul.
back to mid.
Yeah, I'm all out for the day. Wait, are you at 500 per section?
No. You can start pulling though.
How's that commander doing? Do y'all need someone to
I think
rotate?
it's down.
Nah, he died.
Oh yeah, he's long gone.
Priest mid. Dust, are you okay? Are you
Yo,
frozen?
Answer. You in here, man?
Yeah.
He's sitting in mid. Yo, somebody mid, tell me what he has. Is he a healer? I can't tell from here.
Oh,
He's a healer.
he's a healer, and he's the one that's not in Discord and which just isn't listening to instructions.
called out.
Wow.
He's healed 2k.
There's not been much healing to do on mid though, like at
Right?
all.
Alright.
There hasn't. We
Okay,
have 3
but
healers.
I
No one's in
healed almost
corruption.
5k and I like haven't left the wall.
There's like nothing
Just
going on.
healing
They're
again.
killing
Yeah,
stuff before it gets out of
really gotta get those
corruption.
healing numbers up.
Oh, Wolf,
We just-
yes.
We
Hey,
just
how's it
ended
going?
a buy phase.
Oh,
up,
hey,
bro?
man.
Nothing much. Holding back gate.
Oh,
You're not in here.
you're not in here.
Don't lie to me.
I am.
You said your name was just Killer Wolf.
Yeah, on Discord.
Well, we knew that.
Yeah,
Wait, how
I-
did you howling?
I
I
don't
could
know,
read
man.
that.
You guys like, you gotta be more specific.
Wait, you're on bad game? I'm on bad game.
Yeah.
Commander, right?
Phil, if you're back there, I want to hear how.
Yeah, Commander right.
How?
Yeah, man.
You're not upstairs.
How? I'm not honest.
You're not back here. What are you talking
Yes,
about?
I am.
I'm standing back here.
Look for me. My name's something.
Mid.
Okik is in mid.
What is
Wow, man.
I'm not gonna lie. I just don't want you to know who I am in game, so I make something. Okay? It's an illusion. But I,
Okik is in mid.
yeah, I'm on back.
Might be like a whole new level of trolling.
I don't know why.
It's like catfishing.
unnecessary?
Invasion catfishing. Kind of
Yo,
intriguing.
Wolf, there's a skull on right,
Okay.
man.
Bear, right?
Okay, I'm coming to pad.
Yep, you on it?
Not yet.
Tell me when you're on it, man. I need to know when it's down.
Can't tell you. You'll find out later.
Bear frozen on right.
No.
People
Make him
made it
what?
Like, did they
There's like 10 boat players on right
Cannon right.
I think Reese did it better, honestly.
now. Pretty good, Maggie.
How
Nope.
long?
No can do.
Are you a fellow wolf enthusiast?
No.
Yeah, she is.
It's always great to see another wolf enthusiast. Welcome. What's your favorite
well,
color?
like
No.
furry? Is this like a furry? thing?
No.
No, I'm not a weirdo. I just like wolves.
That's understandable,
What's your
honestly.
favorite kind?
The gray wolf.
Ooh.
That's
How
a
many
good
wolf
one.
t-shirts
This
do you
is a
have?
cool color. I don't have any wolf t-shirts.
Yeah, he's not a weirdo.
Big fan?
No, it's just a passion of mine.
My
You know,
kid
I go
went
out
through a
at
wolf
night,
phase.
my little binoculars, look for them. It's a good time.
Yeah, do you ever find them, man?
Not yet.
I should just stop checking your neighbor's windows.
Come on, man. I already told you, I'm not a freak.
Buy phase?
Can I be in charge of repair parts?
No, man.
No.
Okay. That's okay. I mean, do I get money if I repair? Because my bow's not doing enough damage. I can't get number 1.
Yeah, if you don't have Beast Hunter on, you're actually a fake and a fraud, not gonna lie.
Please do not call me a fraud. I just like wolves, you know, and everyone's trying to put me down.
Nah, bro, embrace that.
Root mid.
En route.
Oh.
It's dead.
Alright, word.
He's not even in here.
Yes, I am.
I think he's in the other invasion.
Who's standing on top of
Brute
Beast
right.
now?
I'm not at mid. She said not to come.
Brute left.
She said not to come.
I was back there. What are you talking about?
It's hilarious. Oh man. Good invasion.
Yeah, what the heck?
I'm going to right.
Root mid.
Are you guys gonna howl for me on command? Like what?
In private.
Oh!
Brute right. Another brute left.
What a man. What a man. So, how long you been a wolf enthusiast?
Tough to say.
Were you like
Just
born
wanting
with
his
it?
grandma.
No, I saw
Friggin'
this
mid.
one movie once and there was a cool wolf in it.
Oh,
What
like
movie?
Twilight?
Oh, everybody always Everybody always goes to Twilight. It was Teen Wolf the movie.
Basically, Twilight.
No, very different.
It's a teen version of Twilight.
What's the
Yeah,
difference?
I don't know. I've never seen it.
Basketball.
Twilight, they're werewolves. It's Native American. Teen Wolf.
They're Native
Oh, shit, I
American.
just locked up.
Yes, that's the whole
I got
thing.
lag
Native
detected.
American
Same.
tribe.
I'm not anywhere
Oh.
near the corruption. I'm
Spider-Man.
locked up on.
Yeah,
I'm on the
locked if you're out
wall.
of
Normally it happens at the corruption, but I can't do diddly squat.
I feel you,
Rip.
man. Jeff, you betcha.
And I am. being
Sophia
booted
also
out.
got DC'd.
Who got DC'd?
Sophia.
I got DC'd as well.
Booted
And
out
Lord
too.
Von Percy.
Correct.
And
Hated
Jake Hill.
Greystorm.
We got 3 people DC'd on left
Force
gate.
Dickens is DC'd on right.
Left.
Oh, there we go.
I'm moving left as well. Oh, I'm back here.
Bears,
There's a lot of
Bears,
people now.
Bears lagged out. He's just sitting there.
Let's
He
go
always
98.
is like
He's lag
that.
switching. This is not cool.
Sophia just reconnected. I think a lot of people just crashed. I don't think it was an invasion thing.
This is good.
Is that bear not moving?
Yeah, Bears glitched.
Leave a Spriggan.
Do you need me to come and eliminate Spriggan?
Back's fine.
Probably not.
I'm back in.
Okay, I'm
Where
actually
else
back
can I
in.
wait?
I'm surprised, and I'm right where I was. Also surprised. How much you want to bet we're on wave 1? You know.
No.
Wyatt,
Just
don't put
DC'd.
Inferno Chaps inside.
Wyatt.
Wyatt.
Why? I
throwing-
will kick you right now.
You're throwing our own invasion, man? Oh, we still got 10 minutes left. Jesus, man.
I know, it feels like the clock is going really slow.
Did they change it this patch?
Yeah, they
Nah.
shut the clock down, man.
They're always kicking me on my toes.
You mean your paws, right? Your paws?
I told you, I'm not one of those weirdos.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
I don't want to be a wolf. I'm not a wolf. I just.
Bear on right's glitched out again.
Well, I mean,
What do
you
you
did
mean?
say you got into wolves because of werewolves, so.
Listen, I'm not in Men X. I am not weird.
Min X? What does that have to do? Dude, Min X isn't weird.
Because they like to be wolves.
Yeah.
It's true.
Which one's the weirdest, though?
Oh.
Furries.
I think it's Carnage, honestly.
Trebuchet back.
Did Teen
Cow
Wolf also
coming
get
in
you into
right,
basketball?
cow
Econ likes furries.
You gotta do Ekong like that, man.
Who's left?
No, because it just puts a bad rap on people like me that just like wolves.
Trebuchet back again.
You think
Sorry
so?
about
Because I'm a
that.
furry.
The skull is about to spawn.
Nobody shoot the skull. I want to get all the points.
Who's dead?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Lots of bombers back.
He's back.
Not yet.
Another cow coming in middle.
I don't know if we're gonna win this one.
Why do you say that?
I'm getting some heebie-jeebies. I don't know.
A rifleman at the
Tingle on my
door.
spine.
Probably your wolf
Your first
senses, man.
standing.
Those are spiders. Wolves do not have senses.
That's what you think.
Most wolves, I bet you.
Yo,
don't
how
know
many
this.
parts do you
They
guys have?
actually can't smell.
460.
Yeah, yeah, you're
How
good.
you just know that,
pull.
man.
I mean, this invasion's been too chill, I think.
What's a buy phase?
Or you buy.
Brute right. Brute left.
Root rate's coming down.
Group back.
Got a DC and
Heading
whatever
toward
group on
east.
there.
Chilling in the
What
corruption.
about bears?
I don't
Another
like
skull
every
mid.
animal,
Go mid,
just like wolves.
Yeah, but is it a bear?
What
that's
about
a big wolf?
dogs? Yeah,
they're
dogs
very
are
different.
also.
No, but you see, dogs are more on like the mongrel side. You know, I like the wolf because it's very.
No
like,
shot, you just
clean.
called dogs mongrel, man.
Friggin' right.
It's very slick.
Slick.
Dogs are like the peasants of the wolf.
Okay, don't call them
No, no,
peasants,
no, no,
man.
no,
It's
no, no, no.
Did you just call them peasants?
Why no?
Yes.
You call dogs peasants, dude? Like, who are you?
It's so messed
Those
up.
dogs
Grab
are
back.
great.
Because they're domesticated.
Just call my daughter a peasant?
It's really strange.
Cow coming in right.
Friggin' and brute right.
Bruteman.
Travis
mean, I have-
down. Cannon back.
Brute's
I have a 190-pound dog, so he's basically a bear or a wolf or whatever you want to call him. Yeah.
What kind of teeth does it have?
He's got dog teeth.
Sharp one.
Fangs?
Dog, man. They all-
He's a
canine.
Great Pyrenees Bernese Mountain Dog mix.
So,
Oh,
It's a big name.
closer to a wolf, but it's still,
Skull wolf.
still not there.
He's basically a polar
Friggin'
bear.
back.
Commander mid.
Yeah, those dogs are really cute though.
Spriggan left.
Taberjay right.
Going to E.
Cal right. Cal right.
Yo, thank you for that call out, man.
That was beautiful.
I don't know.
I'm in here. I just don't. I don't.
Tread back.
Root right.
Back.
They'll hound me.
I don't think anyone's gonna hound you, man.
Yeah, heavy attacks on the brute. Heavy attacks on the brute.
Is that commander still alive?
They'll hound
Yeah.
me.
Cal right.
Brute
I
going
already
D.
called that.
Another cow right, man. Trying.
2 Trebs back now. Cal left and Cal right.
Can't see the bubbles anymore.
Why are there so many mines inside?
Don't say that. There shouldn't
Quiet.
be any inside.
It was wild.
There's a lot.
Do you need me to go clear them out? I'll run into
Cal
them.
left. Cal right.
Are you like wolf? And the wolf's gonna trigger it, man?
Rod, I just saw that
No,
again,
I'll
man.
just
Was
equip
that
a
you?
hatchet and just run in.
Oh what?
Just
Put
slide
an ice
across
pylon
the
down. That'll
map.
take care of it. Cal right.
Oh yeah.
Bro, for some reason I can't shoot these cows
Cal
underneath the mines.
So, yo, we gotta kill this Spriggan on C.
You need me to come?
Another one?
Yeah, there's a second one that just showed up.
Cal left.
You guys are up there.
We killed the first one, but
Yo, who wins in a fight? Like, a bear or a wolf?
A bear.
Fair.
A bear
Go
easy.
up on right.
What about 2 wolves? 2 is still probably not strong enough. If you have like 6.
Dude, a bear can kill a wolf in one.
Eye
hit.
right.
Why
I mean,
do you like bears?
why do people
Happy.
like dogs? You know, dogs aren't fucking killers.
Brute right. Head
I
right.
hit this thing.
Like a dog will lose to a bear, but people still like
The
dogs.
numbers aren't coming up.
have you watched Homeward Bound? Dogs totally win against the bear.
I mean, dogs are. Not dogs. Bears are just scared of like everything, you know. Bears are actually kind of weak.
I think bears would
They're
kill,
weak.
like, a
They're
wolf
weak-minded.
They're
It
scavengers.
depends because if all the wolves.
Tread
they all
back.
2 brutes right.
at the same
Brute
time,
commander on left.
It will actually scare.
Cal right.
Do you watch Andrew Tate,
No.
Wolfman?
No, he's not.
Proud's cousin.
Okay.
He's got no
I'm
boot
kind of
yet.
Cal right.
University though. Priest on the right.
Squall left, squall.
Cannon back.
I need help with the priest. But who's gonna get the priest?
Bombers back.
Brute, brute,
Cal
brute
right,
right. Heavy attack that brute. Keep him off the door. Oh,
Cow,
shit.
cow right brute.
There's both.
I'll just
People
hold on to.
see trouble. I just went down. I'm dead.
Trebuchet
Mid.
back.
Where are these things
Bombers
Bombers
landing?
back.
Lots of
Lots
cows.
of bombers.
Brute,
Brute
brute, brute
right.
right.
Cow mid.
And a cannon thrown in the back just for
Helmet.
good measure. Trebuchet's finally down.
Cannons are no factor.
Spriggan mid.
Okay, I think the
Priest
skull
right.
is down.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
skull's
am.
down. I'll go to A.
Wolf commander on C now.
Another skull
Oh, I
mid.
just got one-shotted by a bomber inside.
Do you need me to come inside?
Skull mid.
Hey, yo.
25-second
Cal back.
landed on
On right.
corpse.
Got it.
Got B.
10 seconds, I'll respawn.
Cal
Brute
right.
mid.
Cal right.
Take him down.
Ice pylon's doing a
Alright,
nice
mid's
job.
clear.
Good shit, guys. We got this in the bag. That's game. GG's.
Wasn't even
Where's the
worried.
enthusiasm.
Start
Come
hauling,
on.
man. Start hauling.
We kill everything. Everything dead. Always clear. Woo!
Dude, your neighbors must hate you.
Oh my god, dude.
In the woods.
You live in the woods. Well, then you must be surrounded by wolves.
Wait, you mean
The
yeah?
wolves and the bears are not liking you at the moment.
Yeah, they're gonna come.
Funny enough,
They come
I've
get
seen
you.
a bear, never a wolf. I can't find it.